What's something people don't know about AI? Are you ready to embrace a future where machines might just outsmart us? Every day, artificial intelligence is getting smarter, weaving its way deeper into the fabric of our lives. From voice-assisted devices that can order your coffee to algorithms that can predict the weather with uncanny accuracy, AI's capabilities are nothing short of astonishing. But it's not all smooth sailing. With AI, ethical questions loom large. Who is responsible when a self-driving car makes a wrong decision? How do we ensure AI isn't biased? And most importantly, how do we keep control as these systems grow increasingly autonomous? As we stand on this cutting-edge frontier, the balance between innovation and caution has never been more crucial. AI promises a future of incredible potential, but it also demands our vigilance. So, as we race towards this AI-driven world, let's take a moment to ask, is AI really our future, or are we stepping into unknown territory? Stay curious, stay questioning, and most importantly, stay tuned for what the future holds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your thoughts on AI. We'd love to hear from you.